I always say that. That's a pillow. Uh, that's easier to remember. So let's just say a month from now you want to draw a crewmate. You're going to be like, oh yeah, it's a pillow shape. Dash, dash here, because we're going to draw the plant hat on him. It's essentially two leaves separate. Otherwise, it'll probably never show up again. So we're going to go ahead and now we got hopefully that makes a lot of sense. All right, now we're gonna pull out over here and curve downward, at least to the area that we I'm gonna draw the openings to these, and I'm gonna try to match. See, so this line has an angle. I want to draw the vent. top here. Let me see. I'm just kind of fixing up a couple of lines, but that's pretty much it. That is it. I hope that was easy. If you're watching, I hope that was enjoyable just to sit down and watch and chill out. Like I said, I'm on Instagram now. I'm on not really on Facebook that much, but I'm gonna go back on there and maybe make a page for this. They have the website easypicturestodraw.net, where I'm gonna put a lot of stuff on there, so go check that out. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you had a fun time watching. A little bit of announcements now that we're at the end. Um, Talk to me. Like, give me a question that you have about art or drawing, or if you just watch this to enjoy it, is there any question you have on the process I have? Like, what goes on in my mind? Is there anything like that? I'm here mostly to talk to you and have a dialogue with you because people kind of say, "Oh, this is about like, oh, nice drawing, nice drawing." That's cool. Thank you. I appreciate the nice drawing comments, but I'm here really to help you. I'm not here for myself to kind of show that I can draw this. You can eventually draw it. You can watch it. You get a lot out of that. So yeah, thank